Good morning, Miss Abby.
Good morning, Mr. John.
How are you today?
Very well, thank you.
How was your weekend?
Very well, thank you. What about yours?
My weekend went very well. I went to the beach.
I see. It was a pleasure talking to you. See you next time.
Sure, have a great day.
Thank you, and you too.
Sure, have a great day. Now, John is responding to see you next time from Abby. John is also concluding the conversation, so he's saying, have a great day. Have a great day is again a way to wrap up the conversation. So this is used when you are expressing positive feeling about the rest of the day. In the morning till the afternoon hours, you can always say, have a great day. You don't say, have a great day in the evening, because the day is already about to over. So have a great day is a good way to wrap up the conversation in a very polite and humble way. Have a great day is a commonly spoken expression, and this is for conclusion of a conversation, as I indicated, wrapping up the conversation in a good way, polite way. Have a great day, have a nice day. So there are other ways to say this. Have a good way. Have a nice day, have a pleasant day. So good, nice, pleasant, these can be exchanged. Have an amazing day. I hope your day goes well. That is, in all these, you want the other person to have a good day. I hope you have a wonderful day. So this is just the change of words: good, nice, pleasant, amazing, wonderful. These are just wordplay, but in all these, I hope you have a great day. Have a great day is essentially you want to say that.